today. That's fantastic. This will keep me going for a while. So I have the 5 hunting knives fully tempered. I tempered them for 2 hours at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm going to use some of these fancy J-Flex belts to finish them off and get them ready for hand sanding. And I am also going to start grinding the chef knives, because it's about time I started doing that.
Wait. Hang on. Huh. If I analyze the angle of the neck, I believe my diagnosis would be excruciating pain. After grinding a little bit on the kitchen knives, I moved on to the San Mai knife for my sister. I also flattened and tapered the tangs on the hunting knives.
I think the next video I will be able to get these quenched and the bevels ground on them. I'll probably keep working on the kitchen knives now and let the hunting knives rest for a little bit.
I didn't do that. Instead, I ground a bit on the San Mai knife for my sister and normalized it because I was unable to drill holes in the tang. After hand sanding the Damascus knives, I was back to the San Mai one. I started by finishing drilling holes in the tang, which was kind of a nightmare. I then lit the forge and touch marked the knife, and then moved on to quenching it. After that, I went on to etching the Damascus knives. After about a 20-minute time period, I would take the knives out of the ferric chloride and bring them to the table where I would sand them with a 1500 grit piece of sandpaper. This removes the oxides which build up on the 15 and 20, but keeps the oxides that build up on the 1095, creating a pattern. During the multiple etching cycles that I did on the Damascus knives, I hand sanded the San Mai knife. When I was done giving depth to the Damascus pattern with the ferric chloride, I put them in coffee to give them contrast.
Today is day... I forgot, but I'm doing pretty well as far as finishing the knives. Today is December 21st, and I at least have to have this one done by Christmas. To also possibly finish these by Christmas, I'm going to split up the order yet again and just work on these 3 smaller ones, which are going to have desert ironwood handles. So my goal today is to get all those glued up and shape their handles. We'll see how far we can get.
To help with the glue up, I did a number of things. First, I flattened the scales so they would fit nicely to the tangs of the knives. Then, I rounded and shaped the tops of the scales so that it would look nice. I can't do that after the knives are glued up. I also ground hollows in the handles so that glue could fill it and get a better bond. it's the end of the video. Please subscribe. When I was done giving depth to the When I was done giving depth to the When I was done giving depth to the